So Jackson, what's all over your face? What's on your face?
Look.
What's on your face? Look in the mirror. What's on your face? Did you get marker?
Yeah.
Were you coloring on your face?
Yeah.
In your hands?
Yeah.
We washed your feet and your hair. Did you get your hair too? Did you get your hair? A little bit. Are we supposed to color on ourselves?
Yeah.
Jackson? Hey, no. Are we supposed to color on ourselves?
No.
No. Okay, lo siento, Mama.
Little Baba.
Should we clean it off?
Knock it off.
Okay, say I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Now give me a smile. Cheese.
Cheese.